Hello and welcome to this tips and tricks video for ZoomText Mac. AI Squared is happy to announce that with the recent 104 update, ZoomText Mac now supports Apple's new Mavericks operating system. If you're upgrading to Mavericks, this update is required. You can install this update before or after upgrading your operating system. It will work either way. But know that this ZoomText update does not support Lion or Mountain Lion operating systems. It's for Mavericks only. After downloading the update, which you can find on our website at www.aisquared.com/updates, you'll need to unzip it. Once you've done that, you will see a file named ZoomTextInstaller.pkg in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. The installer will launch and you will be presented with a series of dialog messages. Click the Continue and Install buttons on each of the respective dialogues and supply your password when prompted. At the end of the process, you'll need to reboot your computer. Please close all open applications and save any documents before clicking the Restart button. After rebooting, go ahead and launch ZoomText Mac. You'll notice that the first time you launch ZoomText, you're presented with a message box informing you that ZoomText components would like to control the computer using accessibility features. Due to some changes in the latest Apple operating system, there are new security settings that will prevent ZoomText Mac from performing optimally. This security setting must be enabled in order for ZoomText to track on-screen items and events, as well as display the cursor and focus enhancements. To enable this setting, click the Open System Preferences button. The Security and Privacy dialog will now be displayed. In order to make any changes, you'll need to click on the padlock icon in the lower left-hand corner of this window. After clicking the padlock icon, you'll be asked to enter in your administrator password. Note that if you're running at a higher magnification level, this prompt may be outside of your view because ZoomText is currently unable to track on-screen information. Type in your password and click Unlock. Under the list labeled Allow the apps below to control this computer, you'll see an entry called Zoomtext Accessibility. Click the checkbox next to this item. Now click the red X button in the upper left-hand corner of the window, or press Command W to close the window. Now that you've enabled this setting, ZoomText will be able to track on-screen events, and the cursor and focus enhancements will now function as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our blog for more tips and tricks videos in the future.